Hi, Unbox Norway. Here we have the Korean movie Oldboy from Arrow. 4K Steelbook. If you're into collecting Steelbooks, Blu-ray, 4K, please subscribe. It has Dolby Vision and the sound is Master Audio 5.1. Runtime is 2 hours, aspect ratio is 235 by 1. The other disc has a feature-length documentary from 2016 and a 3.5-hour diary of making the film. Autobiography. Let's take a look. Steelbook. There we go. It's a matte finish. This embossed, all of this. You can see it. Spine, Arrow, Ultra HD. Backside. Inside we have a book. There's cast crew. About the film. Yes, you get the idea. Okay, so the card. The disc 1, 4K disc, and the second disc, if you can get it out. There we go. The Blu-ray disc is not the movie, it's the two documentaries, sort of. Inside, nothing special. There's the whole thing. Very dark. So please like the video. I'll be back soon with more. See you then. Bye.